This is sulphur. Now, when I was younger, I went down into a volcano, and many of the locals were collecting this material. And the reason why they were doing this are legion, largely because sulphur is an integral material for many communities that would otherwise be considered deprived. Now, sulphur is a very crucial element for many poorer communities due to its very broad spectrum of practical uses, especially in things like agriculture and basic industrial processes. So, in the context of agriculture, we use it as a fertilizer. So, soil nutrients, for example, sulfur is very essential for plant growth. It helps in the production of amino acids and enzymes and vitamins in plants. So, this is going to improve overall crop yields and quality. So, farmers in poorer regions often rely on sulfur based fertilizers like ammonium sulfate to improve crop productivity, especially crops like maize and legumes and onions and garlic. However, in some situations, we use it as things like pest control. So, pesticides and fungicides, cheaper varieties of pesticides and fungicides, sulfur is used in making low cost varieties of these. And these are vital in controlling crop diseases and pests, reducing losses for small scale local agrarian farmers. It does, however, play an important role in things like health and sanitation, like medical uses, for example. Sulfur is found in traditional treatments for skin diseases such as scabies and ringworm. And this, again, is something that is prolific in low resource areas. So, sulfur based ointments are a very affordable remedy that are accessible to people of lesser means. Water purification is another good example. Sulfur compounds are sometimes used in basic water treatment methods to make water safer to drink. And another important one is just simple energy and fuel. In some areas, sulfur is a byproduct of refining low quality fuels. So, managing it properly prevents pollution, which is important for health in poorer regions. So, also industry and livelihoods. Sulfur is used in making things like soaps and matches and batteries, products that are very often manufactured and used locally, supporting small scale industries and employment. So, sulfur crystals can on occasion be a bit smelly, on other occasions be quite pretty, but in many situations can be very, very, very useful and makes it a very important commodity for poorer communities scattered across the world in regions where sulfur can actually be found, which is notably in volcanic environments.